everyone, I am Joan from Colorido. Today I want to introduce our SOX printer to you. This printer is our first generation. You can see this machine, we almost not use it at all, but it's indispensable because in the initial, our customer bought pretty much those printers. We have to keep one for them because we need to test the main board, headboard, and some spare parts, just in case our customer need some backup. Look here, this machine. We don't use it very often. Look here, it's no printer head. Also, the other side, it says our customer no need support. So the machine quite stable at that time. But according to our customers' feedback, we also promote our machines. Here, I wanted to introduce you the second generation. 1 year maybe we will promote our machines one time. Mechanic things it's quite complicated, not like other garment or just a PS picture or something. But mechanical, we need to test again and again. Also the design and the layout, it's quite many things needed to change. Based on our customers' feedback, in the second generation, we just put one head. In the second generation, we'll just put one head. But here, the carriage part is for two heads. In fact, this machine is the third generation. Because when we designed the second generation, we thought customer need more easy operation. Two heads is related to some other just things. That's why in the second generation we design one head. But later we found the customer want faster printers, so we add two another printers. It's faster. Before it's like need almost 2 minutes one pair, but later after add one head, it's like 1 and 10 seconds per pair. But this year we designed the third generation. There, follow me here. This one still the two heads, but we promote many details. Just let our customer use it more comfortable and feel convenient than before. Look here, we add some more instruction here. Add some label here and attention thing here. Also, we add the emergency stop. Also, we promote the LCD control panel. Look here. Before we need to operate in the by the computer and by the system. But here we can do those cleaning things by just press this button, so it's more convenient. Also, the second is the ink container. We add those alert light. If short of ink, it will alert the user. So you no need always check the ink. Also, for the printer head, we add some heater, but this heater is not very hot. Otherwise, it will damage the printer head. Just the heater is for the temperature more stable. In the winter, quite helpful. We also add some those small button. This one is port switch, left, forward. Before we need control those function, always need to touch here, all the systems. But now, in fact, those buttons added, it's based on customers' suggestion. But here we can easy to operate. Also, the big promotion is the USB. Before we use USB to connect our computer, but now in the future, now we promote this to the network port. Yes, in the future, now still one computer control one machine, one printer. But in the future, we are forwarded to another directions. Means we expect one computer can control all printers. That's the aim, not now. Also, for the new generation, we add another counting functions. Before, customers complain when they print, they don't know how many they printed. But for these printers, we get this function. After you print, the computer will record all those counting things. 好啦 Thank you everybody for today's watching. Next week we will update more information for you. Bye bye.